Hey, I really want to share this with you. A little while ago, I went to a business event and people were sharing their information using their phones with QR codes on them, which were basically virtual business cards. Now, I've signed up for one of these before, but usually after a period of time, they ask you to sign up for a subscription. I really just don't want to pay another subscription. So I was like, there's got to be a way of doing this without paying an additional subscription. And then I thought, wait a minute, I have Canva. Isn't there a way to do this with Canva? Because Canva just, if you have a pro account, Canva just about lets you do a lot of stuff that you don't think that you can do. So I did some research and I found a way to actually create a business card, virtual, have a QR code, and you don't have to pay an additional subscription. And I am going to show you how to do it. First thing you want to do is go to the home page of Canva, and you're going to type in business card horizontal. Give you a bunch of templates. So then you're going to go and find a template that you like. I would pick something very simple so then you don't have to struggle with a lot of things on the screen. Personally, I like simple. If you really want to get into design and everything, you can find something that you can convert in design, but I'm going to find the simplest thing possible. Try to find a circle. How about this one? Okay. I'm going to customize this template. It is asking for $16. You do not have to pay $16. You're going to hit customize this template. And if you look, I'm trying to let it load. Okay. It still says pay $16. You do not have to pay $16. Do not hit the continue button. What you want to do is hit that little square, or X, I should say. Once you hit the X, you're going to be taken to a screen where you're going to see everything on the screen and be able to manipulate it just like you want. Okay. So we have Richard Sanchez, but that's not me because I'm going to edit it and I'm going to change this out. And I'm going to just use this template to put all my information in. And let's go. We're going to go to the left and select uploads. And I'm going to find my face and I'm going to put it in the spot where Mr. Sanchez is. Okay. Now I'm going to change my name, change it to Esther Dillard. Put my title. I'm going to leave that phone number just like it is because it doesn't really matter. I'm going to put my email address. Okay, I'm going to fix that a little bit. I'm going to put my website. That's esterdillard.com. You can see my email address is esterdillard@iheartmedia.com. And instead of location, I'm going to erase this and put another copy of like the website thing. And I'm going to put my link tree. If you have a link tree account, it's awesome because you can put a lot of different links. And that's what I'm going to put here. Just delete this. And we're going to duplicate this. I'm going to hit Command D if you're on a Mac or Control D if you're on a PC. I just made a copy. It's easy. Going to go get my link tree. So now that I have everything all set like I want it to, I'm going to just change this so that each one of these they have a link. I go to Esther Dillard at iheartmedia.com. I'm going to hit the three dots that are to the right, and I'm going to hit link, which is Esther Dillard. at iheartmedia.com. Hit enter. And now it's changed to a link. And if you see, it's changed automatically to mail to Esther Dillard at iheartmedia.com. And it's done. So then when you send this out, that person can click on this link and it'll immediately open up their email browser and it will automatically populate. I'm going to change this to my website. I clicked on it, hit those three dots for more, hit the link, and I'm going to put my web address. And I'm going to put https://EstherDillard.com. And now you can see, if you look in right there, it says https://EstherDillard.com. So anytime anybody clicks on that link, they will go right straight to my website. And then same thing with this. Okay. Now we want to go to make this have the QR code on here. So I'm going to make all of these things move up a little bit. So I'm selecting all of these at the same time. And I'm just going to shift everything up just a little bit. So it gives me a little room for that QR code, okay, on the bottom. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this card a website. That's basically what I'm trying to do. I'm going to hit share and go down to more, the three dots on the bottom. Once you select that, then you're going to select web page or website. And it is at the top on the first line, second option. Hit website. And we're going to convert this to a website. So now that we're over here, we're going to hit, we're going to make sure it's a free domain because you don't want to have an additional domain. And basically, as long as you use Canva, it kind of puts like a little canva.com on the end of it for the free domain. And for this purpose, it doesn't matter because it's just a business card. So I'm going to hit free domain and hit continue. And it's going to ask you, do you want to make this a special like URL? And it puts white and blue modern business card on it. I'm just going to change it to my card. Okay, so it's going to say Esther Dillard biz card my Canva site/my card. That's all I'm going to have it right there. And then I'm going to put, this is a mock site for my business card. And then I'm going to hit publish. It's preparing my design. Boom. You have now a virtual business card. Now you have to put that QR code. So what you're going to do is hit the edit design button on the page, which allows you to edit. And it's going to send you back to the original page where you were designing your virtual business card. Now that I have the URL of the Canva virtual website, which is my business card, I'm going to take that URL and I'm going to go over to Elements. Go to Elements and look for QR code. Use app. It says QR code app. Use app. This is the easiest way you can put it together. Hit use app. And then you paste the URL in that space. Hit generate code. And it creates a QR code that you can manipulate to any size you want. I'm going to make it fairly big, but not too big, and place it right underneath in line with all the other elements. Now, the reason why I did that is because when you do a vertical versus horizontal look, The vertical design, when it converts, will be in a straight line and will look completely vertical, and there will be no mistakes. If you put that QR code over here, I noticed that the lineup doesn't look as good. So if you put that QR code right underneath in line with everything else, it looks great, whether it is horizontal or vertical. And it is allowing me to publish again that website. And I'm going to hit continue and hit publish again. And now it is refreshed and your complete virtual business card is done. And now all you have to do is just save that photo of the virtual business card on your photos, and anytime you want to share it, you just make it a favorite, whip it out, and you have a virtual business card that you pay for already through Canva, and you don't have to pay an additional subscription. Well, I hope that helped you, because when I figured it out, I was like blown away. If you don't have a pro account for Canva, I suggest that you get one, because it's not that expensive and they have so many benefits that you can use in the assets, in creating other things with that particular app, especially if you use social media. It's a great tool. And I just thought it would be nice to share it with other people who may not have known that you can make a virtual business card just like that within about 5-10 minutes. And I almost forgot. If you want more content like this, please let me know, because I would love to hear your feedback on what you saw with this tutorial. If you think that it was too long, if you think there could be more information that I could have given that would be helpful. And if you like it, just let me know, because I can add more of this type of content on the Color Between Lines YouTube channel. Right now, I just do interviews with other people and I ask them about their ways in which they publish books and how they come up with their ideas. But I have used a lot of different technology in order to create things like kids' coloring books and activity books and all these kind of things that I think are really interesting and unique in terms of being able to create content that people are interested in. So if you're interested in that, let me know and I will definitely provide it. Take care.